Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Bars. Today in this video I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone, the mid-range smartphone. So let's have a check, will it rock or not. So I'd like to thank Digit. Without their help it would not have been possible. So unboxing it, we get the device itself, TPU case, charging cable, charging brick and in-ear style earphones. To the right we have got the volume rocker's power button which has a tactile finish, and that's a good one. To the left we have got microSD card and SIM card slot. At the bottom we have got 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C, primary and secondary microphone and a speaker grill. Talking about the display, it is same as on the Samsung Galaxy A50 with water drop style notch with an aspect ratio of 19:5:9, having 6.4 inches screen size. The color pop-up from the screen is vibrant and very colorful. The build quality of the phone is great with slim design. The back panel of the device has got a glossy finish and a fingerprint sensor which is very responsive. Audio is on the weak side in A30 as of the single side firing speaker. The sound quality is not up to the mark, so this might be disappointing for music lovers. Samsung Galaxy A30 comes with the latest Android 9 Pie which runs on Samsung's own One UI. The Galaxy A30 is powered by Samsung Exynos 7904 octa-core processor which is built on 14nm process. The phone comes in only one variant, that is 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, which is a bit disappointing. You can get many 128GB internal phones at this price range offered by many others. But surprisingly, you can use microSD card to expand the storage up to 512GB. The activities are very well handled by the Exynos 7904. A minor lag is seen while doing huge installation on some heavy tasks. For instance, the notification panel started in animation as you can see in the video. Gaming on the Galaxy A30 is pleasing. No signs of lag while playing PUBG could be seen or any other games when the graphics was set to high, and it handled very well. The device is fit enough to take up modern games like PUBG. Talking about the camera, the Samsung A30 comes with dual camera setup bundled with 16MP sensor with f1.7 aperture and a 5MP sensor with f2.2 aperture, which is a ultra wide unit. Selfie camera is 16MP with f2.0 aperture. The camera setup doesn't allow 4K video recording but 1080p at 30fps. The image in the viewfinder freezes for a half a second every time we switch modes or take a shot. The system of the camera is acceptable at this price bracket of 16,990. The battery comes with 4000 mAh battery, gives a 1.5 day of life. A long battery life is one of the phone's strongest point. It supports 15W fast charging. So Samsung A30 has some minor issues every now and then, but otherwise it is a nice phone beside the lag and the stutters in animation. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.